My name is Daniel Mawerere. I came from Uganda. After battling with heart problems for the last about 8 years, I was diagnosed with heart problems in Uganda. After doing several tests, they told me my case is too big to be done in Uganda. So after 8 years, that is on 24th, I jetted in here, Hyderabad, Yashoda Hospital, high-tech city, Hyderabad, where I was referred to Dr. Vikram Reddy, specialist in heart problems. He took me through several tests and confirmed that two of my valves leak and my aorta was swollen to the extent that it was just a matter of time and anything bad would have happened. Then the chamber where the valves are had also bulged. It had enlarged and even changed shape. He took me through counseling, what is going to be done, the procedure, after surgery, what we will be experiencing. Say pain has to be there because they have to do open chest surgery. So I went to the theater, they took me to the theater, did the operation, and it was successful. One of my valves was repaired, put in another artificial valve, and the aorta also was repaired. I thought I would feel some discomfort in my heart after putting foreign bodies in my heart. But you believe me, I don't feel like I have anything foreign. It's like natural. These guys are perfect. I don't feel any discomfort in my heart because early on in Kampala, I used to walk a few steps and experience a lot of palpitations and heaviness in the chest. Right now, just a few days after the operation, I think I'm the happiest man. I don't know whether I'm south of the Sahara but south of the Sahara, I'm the happiest man. About the hospital, Yashoda Hospital, I think if I'm given chance to do appraisal, I'll give them the best score. If it is 100%, it is. In terms of reception, they are good people. Cleanliness, next to none. The nurses are good. Anytime you buzz and you need to consult or you feel some discomfort, in a few seconds they are there to ask you what is happening. You explain to them and they say, in 1 minute, and indeed it is 1 minute, they are back. The doctors are alert, very friendly, very warm and welcoming. Yashoda is next to none. Their machines are, I don't know whether they made them themselves, but very clean, very perfect. You are in the theater, but when you look at the ceiling, you just see stars and clouds. The ceiling is blue like natural sky. The beds are clean. To mention, what can I say? Washrooms, everything. I send my warmest and sincere thanks to Dr. Vikram Reddy. He's so wonderful. By God's grace, they performed the operation. It is perfect. What can I say? I feel great. I feel much better than I was. I feel natural, as if I don't have any implant in me. Lastly but not least, I would like to thank the international service team. It has been there for me. very friendly. When we give them a call, they will pick immediately. When we need a car to the hospital, the time they tell you, the car will be there. They are very good people. Yashoda is next to none. No other hospital is best. They are the best hospitals, certainly.